look her in the eyes again? Can I face her and tell her it was all in vain? The last shining hope we had before the loan forecloses. Today it's our farm on the line. We spread a meal between 3 children. Looks like the wife and I will starve again tonight. She says she doesn't blame me. She cries her tears into me while I save mine. Spent all my life looking for just a drop of rain. Now the cruel flood has pulled me under again. It's all I've known, it's all my father knew. For generations now the same. A game of risk and loss, but it still lingers on. Is there no one left inside? Spent all my life looking just a drop of rain. Now the cruel flood pulls me under again. The old black dog slings on the horizon. Its shadow looms over my life. It pulls me under like a raging flood of water. One day I might not come back up. Spent all my life praying for just a drop of rain. Now the cruel flood pulls me under again. Perhaps I'll lay down under the stars, see the Southern Cross burn bright, and with a final blast I'll end it that night. Can I look her in the eyes? Spent all my life praying for just a drop of rain. Now the cruel flood pulls me under again.